Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. As you can tell by the title, I have a Poundland haul for you and a little bit of a DIY gallery wall because, as you will see by some of the items that I got, Poundland have some new in artwork which I was so excited to see. And a little tradition that I've started doing on my Poundland hauls, and I kind of want to continue to do them whenever I do a Poundland haul, is pick up a lucky scratch card. Well, we don't know if it's lucky or not yet, so stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to see if I win anything. So if you are new to this channel, please stick around and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more Poundland hauls from me, and let's get on with the haul. Okay, where to begin? Some of these items I'm just going to say now are for an upcoming DIY style video. Comment down below, you can make your guesses. I don't think anyone will guess what it is that I'm doing, but stay tuned. That video will be coming very, very soon. But for today, I am just going to jump in. I've got 5 bags full of things. Let's just jump straight in. No order, completely random. Cute little mini wooden chopping board. If you like my home and interiors, I have a home account on Instagram. Then you'll have seen I have a little kitchen area with a mix and match of different chopping boards. So I just got that little mini one for £1, obviously. These, I'm a big fan of these. They are the dark chocolate rice cakes. If ever I'm feeling like a bit of a naughty treat, it's still not too bad. And it's dark chocolate, 8 calories per rice cake. And it's just a nice little snack to have. Potentially for a DIY video coming up very soon. I have this interior and exterior metallic spray paint, and this is in champagne gold. Okay, I actually bought an item of clothing this time as well. Our Poundland, or one of them, has a Pep & Co, which is like the clothing range that some Poundlands have in store, and this is very much like along the lines of what I've been wearing recently over on my Instagram. I've been styling up different band tees or slogan tees or tees with some kind of a graphic on the front, and this I just thought looked quite nice. Love the font, which says "The City by the Bay, San Francisco, California. I'd love to visit one day." And it just has a little skyline image of San Francisco. Black, white, simple. I did size up to an extra large, and this is from the men's. So yeah, £3 that one was. I also picked up one of these little circular mirrors. I've seen before you can get little circular mirrors like this. Pop a little bit of foam at the bottom, so it's like it cuts it off like that. So that's the mirror part, and it has a line across. Bit of foam, and then you can stick in some like hanging planters, so it hangs all the way down and have it as a bit of a feature. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this yet, or if I'm even going to do that with it, or if I'm going to use it for something else. You can also use these mirrors as a little tray with different perfumes on, and they also have them in white and I think grey as well. This was something that I bought having needed it, didn't have it when I needed it, and now I don't need it, but at least I've got it now if I do need it. De-icer and a little mitt, so these are just going to go straight in the boot of my car just to have in there for as and when the snow or icy weather comes back. Hopefully we've avoided it now and it's gone for good, but who knows. A staple purchase, deodorant, and I also get toothpaste, but we're already using it. But I like to use the Fresh Active Quick Dry Nivea Men's. Both myself and Tom, we just share it. A couple of bits I got for like the office downstairs, and just like, oh my god. Oh no, I basically just, this is full of black paper clips. Oh god, they're everywhere. And I've just pulled it out the bag and the cork lids come off and they've just gone everywhere. They have these little glass jars with a cork lid with loads of different things, and I just went for some black paper clips, which are now all over my floor. I also have this, which has a variety of things in. Paper clips, little clips there, and pins as well, and that's it. And then some smaller paper clips, all in gold. Again, I thought that looked quite cute. Maybe put some in that jar or in like a different jar. And then I got this metal storage basket. Again, very multifunctional, loads of different uses for it. I personally thought potentially either in the office to put like little bits of paperwork in, or more than likely in our kitchen cupboard, and you could get a few of them and stack them and just put like, I don't know, dried goods in there or something, like packets of stuff, just to keep it all neat and organised and compartmentalised. So I'm going to see how this fits in my kitchen cupboards first. Okay, what have I got in here? Some sticky stuff for adding artwork to the walls. They are Unibond No More Nails strips. That is what they look like. And then I also picked up these Velcro strips. So we have a couple of different varieties there for me to use. I'm going to see which holds best. Oh, I got 2 deodorants. Oh, and I also picked up this moisturizer, which is one that I really like, and I first bought from Poundland to give it a try. It was Sophia and Chinsia that talked about this, and I thought for £1 a Nivea moisturizer. I do have more higher end brands moisturizers, but as and when I run out of them in between, or like just on the regular, or if you want to be more liberal, then this Nivea one at only £1 is actually really good. This is also going to be for the DIY video, so again stay tuned. It's a little gold leaf Okay, before I get onto the artwork, I just have a couple more bits. Firstly, this Light My Fire utility lighter, just because save on matches, and my lighter, like as if you're a cigarette smoker. I have one of those as well, but just for like the fire, for instance, Tom always struggles with the matches, so I picked up one of these, and they can be used to light the candle as well. And then they're also having like a big clean event or something, so they had quite a few cleaning products, like between £1 and £5. These were the first things, which, oh, it smells so good. This one is in Lavish. They are the Leonor Unstopables in Wash Scent Booster. They have a few different ones. I've never actually used these before, but I have seen them, so I'm intrigued to try them. And they did have these in Poundland at £5, which I think usually they retail for £6. But in Asda, I don't know if they're currently, by the time you're watching this video, but at least when I bought these, they were on sale for £3. So maybe check out Asda first and see if they're on sale, but smells good. And then the Zoflora, I definitely do not need any more Zoflora. I still have a cupboard full downstairs, but I'm one of those people that is like a bit of a collector, a bit of a hoarder when it comes to Zoflora, and if there's a scent that I don't have, I'm getting it. Now I do have lavender, but I've never seen this limited edition Lavender Escape. I'm sure it's not going to be too dissimilar to lavender, but I do really like lavender, and I particularly like using it in the bedroom, just because I feel like lavender in the bedroom for when you're, you know, going to sleep, the lavender is a really good scent to use. So Lavender Escape, we'll see how we go. Right, moving on to artwork. So firstly, they actually have templates for gallery walls. If you're looking to do a new gallery wall, I'm not even sure where I'm going to do it yet. Potentially in here on that wall, but with wallpaper in here, I don't know if I'm better off just keeping the walls clear, because we have a mirror on that one, TV on that one. That one's clear. Maybe I'm better off just keeping it clear and doing it in the spare room. Not sure yet. You'll see in the cutaway clips how I end up styling it. And for more updates, go to my Instagram on FREYAFARRINGTON Home. As and when I change out the prints, updates will be over there. They have the templated gallery wall. I'm going to be really naughty here and just say I took a picture of it so that I could get an idea as to which prints to put where, but I might interchange them and change them up anyway, so I didn't want to buy that for £1 when it's just a template. I just took a picture of it. That's really naughty. I'm not advertising do that. That's what I did. But I did buy a lot of prints and frames. So I bought one A3 poster frame, which is 30 by 42 centimeters. These are nice and lightweight as well, so perfect if you're renting, because you can use the command strips or these Velcro strips or whatever you want to use, and it's not going to damage the walls. So I got one large with 2 prints that I might interchange as and when I feel like it, and depending on what it looks like. Firstly, the giraffe in black and white, and then the coloured one I went for a pineapple. Then I got 3 of the 8 by 10 photo frames. Again, I got all of the frames in black for this time round, but they have them in like a wooden effect and also white. So depending on your colour scheme, I just went for all blacks. The prints that I got, these ones came in a set of 4. So again, I can interchange and see which ones I fancy. I personally don't really like that one. I ain't your hun, but if you like pink and red and colour, then maybe you would prefer that. But me personally, I'm more of a like neutral kind of person. Although I got these mainly for the 2 cactus prints, but they're the 4 that are included. And I thought if I do end up putting up the pineapple, then to interject and kind of sync them together, maybe some of the cactus could go in there. I don't know. We'll see how I go. And then I also got this one, which is predominantly black and white. We've got this palm print, which is probably my favourite. And then there's also, is that Montserrat or whatever? I really don't know my plants, and I really should, because I do love them. And then there's a quote in there, the best is yet to come. And then last but not least, I got a 4x6 frame, or 10 by 15 centimetres. And this actually comes in a pack of 2. So I went for the black. And then for the little mini prints, I got this set, which has that same pineapple print, and it also has the same mini cactus print, and then it has an XOXO black and white, and then a But First makeup. So that is what that set of 4 looks like. And then lastly, this one, which again has a really nice light pink cactus there. I don't really like that one, I won't use that. But I do like that, and I do like the 2 quotes as well, which say inspire and adore. So that is everything that I picked up. I'm going to do this scratch card, but just before I do, I want to show you, like, insert a little footage of how I ended up styling the gallery walls. So stay tuned for that now. Okay, so that is how I've styled it up for now. Like I said, it might change around, but we'll see how we go with that. For more updates, head over to Freya Farrington Home on Instagram. And as for now, let's end this video with a little scratch card, which I can use one of these paper clips that's just gone everywhere. Match 3 symbols in a row to win. So that's not a win. And then there's a bonus game, find a stack of money to win. No win. So thank you so much for watching this Poundland haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you did. Stay tuned for the next one, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have if you are new to this channel, a few little bits, a mix and match of, well, why do I just explain everything? No one likes an intro anyway, do they? They just skip forward. Well, I do. This will be used, this next, the DIY video, so still. This I thought I could use for artwork. Ooh. Okay, now before I get onto the artwork,